yeah. Oh, no. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, no.
Who are you talking to?
No one. Your mama. Shut up. Take your pick. Is there an app for kissing my shiny metal ass?
Several.
Ooh.
Ugh, it's putrid. What do you feed him?
What comes out one end, we feed to the other. Also Indian food. The key is knowing precisely where to strike. Oops.
Well, well. Time to beat him his rights.
I better carve a ship for protection. Shut up, baby. You love it.
Don't tell me to shut up. You know what happened to the last guy who told me to shut up?
What?
That was great.
Shut up.
What's going on here?
Nothing. You wouldn't know perversion if it put clamps on your testicles.
Finally, we can have a legal, monogamous marriage like everyone else.
Woohoo! Yeah! Monogamous? You a big dummy! Everybody at Kinko's was an idiot, so I just brought the original. Brothers and sisters, let us pry. I bet he's up in robot heaven right now, so he won't miss his eyes. Ah! Yeah! You humans and your fragile organs, one little stab to the goo and I'm immortal, baby.
What? Then how come you always scream so much when you're in danger?
I never said I wasn't a drama queen.
You whacked the chair.
Huh? It wasn't me. Must be some of that urine you're all so proud of.
.5 seconds ago, you said you hated me.
Time heals all wounds. You locate Inspector 5 while I slip into my ass-kicking feet. It's on. Well, we're boned. I'm not leaving you, and that's fine. Good luck, buddy. Man, the future's a total crap hole. And whoever lives here is a crap-faced sack of crap. No offense, though.
In all the world, there's only one technology. A rusty sword for practicing proctology.
Oh, we are travelers from the past, my good runt.
They won't stop until every human is dead.
This seems like a nice future. Let's just stay here.
Why, you...
Oh, no, you didn't.
Look, the first fish to crawl up on land.
It was coming right at us. You saw it.
I get to hold Kitty.
Aw, its anus looks like an asterisk.
Your tux doesn't fit because you stole it from a boy.